Better put a helmet on, cause jealous felines can go all out with their revenge.
Okay, we're not doing this every time I want to do a puzzle. This is the piece I want.
Pause off. I'm the puzzle master here. Let me handle this solo, okay?
That's enough.
Having a catty means life gets wild and amusing. Trust me on that. Let's just hope his boss buys the cat excuse for missing the deadline. Feeding those orange ones is a real exercise in patience.
我天哪，他把关机键给摁了。
With cats, every game is a drama. Plot twists can pop up at any moment. With so many sibs around, eating alone in peace is a challenge. Cat's duty is to make sure their owners never finish their homework on time.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe he's bouncing now.
Being a sharp one's cool, but you gotta add some physics smarts.
Oh, it's gonna run out of time. Y'all aren't gonna find out.
Everything has to be flattened. Cost or value doesn't matter. Working with a naughty pet turns you into a multitasking pro. You know what I mean. Since the rug's not tripping people up, time for some pause-on assistance. Now that he's onto your fears, girl, time to win him over with some fish. Suspect the cat, not gravity, when things mysteriously fall in your house. When you invite the cat to the living room, but forget to show him the door. Glancing away for them from 10 seconds is the easiest way to spot trouble. Just a small bite is the biggest lie of all lies. This is my leg now. You may sit elsewhere.
Domino, what are you doing? Domino!
Sometimes he'll go under the chair.
Just trying to grab attention with this mop. No harm intended. Well, low-tech pets need time to catch up with modern gadgets, so don't go too fancy. Maybe her mum didn't get her a scratching board, so Kitty improvised.
好玩是吧？
It's a rare moment if Kitty turns into a study buddy, so cherish it. They say kittens mimic their humans, so it's time to get him a computer mouse. Apparently cats aren't great thieves, but they're masters of manipulation when they're caught. Putting her a crown, but end up with a clown.
Hey!
你刚
突然来咬人。
Not a day passes peacefully when you're a cat mum. Those drama queens just can't quit. Hope they bring the show indoors. It's chilly. Awkward moments are the fast track to more chaos. Now he gets it. Kitchen sponges aren't ocean sponges like on TV. No fishy business here.
What's he doing?
Give it to Mummy. We've talked about this.
Turkey that he won't give up?
This furry helper is not too efficient, but sure entertains the viewers.
Tug, tug. I said no. I said no.
I just want to check if your diet's on point, you know.
See.
Stuff in our world really piques animals' curiosity. Cute, yes, but be aware, they can unleash a house storm. Thanks for tuning in.